Hey guys, Jake Back Knives, just doing a little in-depth product first look at the Talim Combatives fixed blade system. So, giving a look into this, it is a live blade and trainer package system. You have your live blade, then you have your trainer. Both come with a very similar sheath so that they can be trained with in the exact same way that you would work with your live blade. Give a little bit closer look, starting with the live blade. The production sheaths will actually be a little more squared off with more belt loops, rivets, so that you can adjust the system as you prefer. 3.5-inch blade, 5/32 thickness, S35 VN blade steel. It's a black DLC coating with a fallout finish to help it blend in with scratches better. The handle is 3D machine G10 that is press fit and glued into a pocket in the handle, so it is not gonna come off of there. It's got a nice solid texture to it, but it's not overly aggressive, so it's gonna hurt your hand. So it carries nice up against your skin. If you decide to conceal this, you don't have to worry about it rubbing up against bare skin, so you don't have to run a undergarment with this to make it comfortable. Sheath was designed so that it's nice and loose going all the way in, and then it clicks into retention. That way when you draw, it draws much faster than if it had full tension all the way across. The trainer is 6061 T6 aluminum. It's anodized red, and the blade is a 1/2 inch shorter and rounded. The 1/2 inch shorter is some stuff that I learned from Sheath Kali and Bill Rapier at Amtac Shooting. 1/2 inch shorter develops a lot less training problems when you're making strikes. You're gonna follow through a lot better with your real blade versus what would happen is if the trainer was the full length of the blade, you would end up coming short quite often. So there is reasoning behind the 1/2 inch shorter, and that's that. So check out Sheath and Bill Rapier over at Amtac Shooting for that. But the handle is inlaid into the aluminum, and it's also black G10, so it's very similar to your live blade. As identical as you can make it and make it safe, as you can tell. So, giving a little bit more information on this. So these will be available early October, so look for those here real shortly. We are expecting to put out this whole system all at once. It goes pretty quick. We just did Quebec fixed blades and they went really fast, so that's something you're just gonna have to jump on. We're still somewhat small in the manufacturing world, so we do smaller runs. We just do them more frequently, and we do a whole lot of different stuff. So stay on top of that stuff. Check the website, check our dealers. Our dealers are awesome. They will have a lot of this stuff available to them. And then going into the background on this, we have, well, I have been training with Bill Rapier quite a bit, doing Sheath Kali, and I carry one of the first custom Talims. This one's in titanium. I've been carrying this for quite a while, and basic premise behind this is it's made to be carried inside the belt, outside of the pants, and it goes reverse grip. It can be carried either reverse or forward. A forward grip fits your hand really nicely. A reverse grip hooks your index finger so you can draw quickly and make strikes. So again, it's inside the waistband is the typical carry setup, especially Sheath and Bill Rapier style. Inside the belt, outside the waistband, I should say, and you hook your index finger, draw forward. It draws very naturally, very easily, and it should just be a one-hand kind of draw setup, and clicks back into place very easily. It can be carried any other way. We don't provide the clips for these just for the fact that there are a multitude of different clip options. Everybody has their own little preference. I'm steering much more towards the steel clips just for their durability, and I run dual clips on mine. It's set up to run either single clip or dual clip, depends on what you want to run, what your preference is. I know a lot of guys like a single clip so that the blade will move when you move. It'll prevent it from sticking into your ribs. It's not typically an issue with this blade since it has a slight curve to the overall. It's pretty minimal, but it's just enough that it sticks forward and allows you to bend down without it digging into your side. If I put my shirt on, you can kind of see that it flexes with you. Works pretty well even with dual clip. So that's some of the information for the carry side of things. I've been doing a lot of training with this blade over the last couple of years, and I've really been liking how it draws and how it strikes. When you're doing templates, it gives you a lot of versatility. It doesn't, unlike a full hook, it doesn't hang up on your clothing like some can. So if you grab this, you typically don't hang your shirt up on the edge of it, which is very nice. If you have more of a pronounced hook on the end of the handle, it will catch and hang up on your shirt. So we rounded over the back edges of these so that you hook your index finger and it draws it out very nicely. You have a thumb ramp on the back, and the whole system is very natural. So, that's some of the information that goes along into these. We put a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of R&D into designing a combative style fixed blade. This is the first of several designs that I have in the works right now. So check it out. It's the Talim, T-A-L-I-M. It's the language of Talag. Hopefully I pronounced that right. It means blade. So